Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. This week's project, which is the last project of this year, is inspired by the person shooting right now. Hold on. That's Felix. I saw his work on Instagram and we kind of started chatting to each other, and he built something that got me super interested. It is a very, very clever soldering station. So, inspired by Felix's soldering station, I want to build a solder station that makes sense for my setup. And as always, I want to start with looking for cool materials that I can work with. Let's go! I think I just found the base for the whole setup. I was looking for something that's heavy, so I can, so it's a stable, small footprint object. And I think that the batteries should be able to, they fit perfectly. Check this out. Oh my God, okay. The decision is made. This is the base for the project. The only concern that I have is that there might be not enough room for all the electronics, because if the battery takes up this side, then I only have this much negative space to fit all the electronics in. So I might want to look for some kind of extension for this, but I'm sure I can find something. So I was thinking, because this is metal, maybe we can adapt it to make it fit. Oh my God. Okay, it looks good. Oh no. Whoa. Okay, it fits. Perfect. Oh my God. That's it. Now, I think the biggest challenge for this project is the power solution, like how is it powered? And I want it to be battery powered, like Felix and also Adam Savage's solder station. They're both powered with batteries. They both have the advantage that they are adapters for their batteries. Festool doesn't have the adapter yet, which means I have to fabricate something. And here's a little disclaimer, don't do this. It's probably not allowed and it might fry your battery. So calm down. If you worry about your battery, don't do it. All right, so far this should work, hopefully. What I was thinking about the whole time, because this is so heavy, I think I wanted to have some handles on the side so I can take it out of the storage wherever it lives and then place it on the workbench. And I was thinking about this switch that I found in the trash, of course, obviously. Look at these handles. And they seem to be just screwed in. So the idea is to recycle these handles so you can just grab them and take the whole station with you. That's the idea. Yes! Okay, just imagine just a simple soldering task. I turn it on. My soldering iron automatically turns on. Boop. See, here it heats up. I have my light. I can position this anywhere I want to, even up here in the front. Depending what I need, I can just, position this. I'll bring up my solder up to here. Iron is right here. And then here we go. When I'm done, I can clean it, put it back. And if I need more accessories, I can simply take all of this off. Recharge the wire. I could put shrink tubing, whatever. In here, I can also take just the minimal stuff that I need with me and put it somewhere else. I think it's perfect. I kind of like the idea that in the maker community, it's absolutely okay to take somebody else's idea and be inspired and make your own version of this. So I am happy if you guys want to take this to the next step and make it yours. So far I'm just very happy with my version, and I'm excited to see what you guys could come up with. All right, so that was the last project of 2021. I hope you enjoyed this year's project as much as I did, and then I will see you next year with a new video. Bye.